Okay, students, good morning. In yesterday's class, we have studied about the pre-fertilization events. In pre-fertilization events, we have studied about the gametogenesis and gamete transfer. In today's class, we'll study about second event of sexual reproduction organism, that is fertilization. Okay, it is fertilization is the next after the transfer of gamete from one part to the another part, means female to male to the female part. Okay, there has to be trace plus the fertilization. What is fertilization? Next, now we'll discuss about the definition of the fertilization. What is definition? It is the process of so student, take down the definition. The process of fusion of male and female gamete. Both are in haploid nature. Okay. The process of fusion of male and female gamete, haploid male and haploid female gamete to form diploid zygote. Diploid zygote is called syngamy or fertilization. Both are same. Okay, it's called fertilization or syngamy. So the another term for fertilization is syngamy. What is fertilization, students? The process of fusion of male and female gamete, haploid male. The process of fusion of haploid male and haploid female gamete to form a diploid zygote is called syngamy. Okay. How now, students, you may have the doubt like what is syngamy? Okay, what is syngamy means? Here gamy means gametes. Gamy means what? Gametes. What? Which gametes we have here? We have two gametes here. One is male gamete, another one is female gamete. Male and female gamete. Here we have. One is male gamete, another one is female gamete. Okay. So both the gametes, they will get sync. Sync means they will fuse. Hence we call it as synchronizing of the gametes is also called as syngamy. Both gametes will fuse here and form a diploid zygote. That process we call it as fertilization. Okay. So what happens during the fertilization? We'll study. So students, in the case of fertilization, here we have two types of fertilization. Okay. So fertilization, it results in the formation of a zygote. What happens here? Fertilization, it results in the formation of zygote. Now students, let us discuss the types of fertilization. Some animals or some plants, in the case, we'll study about the animals, not plants. In the case of animals, what happens? The fertilization, okay, the fertilization takes place inside the body or outside the body. So let us, depending upon whether the fertilization depending upon the site of fertilization, we call it as depending upon the site of fertilization. Depending upon the site of fertilization. Site means what? Where the location, where exactly the fertilization takes place. Depending upon the site of fertilization, there are two types. There are two types of fertilization we will find in the case of animals. What are those? What is the site of fertilization here? Site means the place where the fertilization takes place, where the fusion of male and female gamete takes place, where the location of the fusion of gametes. Okay. So in some animals, the fertilization takes place inside the body, and in some animals, the fertilization takes place outside the body. Outside the body means external medium. Outside the parent body, the fertilization will take place. So depending that on that one, so depending upon the site of fertilization, there are two types. What are those? First one, external fertilization, and second one we have internal. Already you mean that external means outside the body, internal means inside the body. Okay. What do you mean by external fertilization? External fertilization means if the process of fertilization takes place outside the body of the parents, that is in the surrounding medium, that is called external fertilization. And then what do you mean by internal fertilization? Internal fertilization means what? The fertilization takes place inside the body of a female organism. Okay, the fertilization takes place inside the body of a female organism. It is called internal fertilization. Okay, students. So those are the types of internal and those are the types of fertilization. Let us discuss with first one, that is external fertilization. What is external fertilization, students? Okay, give your attention here. What is external fertilization? The fertilization takes place. Okay, the fertilization takes place in outside the body of parents. Fertilization takes place outside the body of parents, that is in the surrounding medium. Water, it may be water. Surrounding medium means water. External fertilization means what, students? The fertilization takes place outside the body of parents. It is in the surrounding medium. That will be called as external fertilization. So, which organisms will show external fertilization? Those organisms are frogs and some fishes. Okay. Examples for this one: frogs and fishes. Okay. The organisms belonging to Pisces, the class Pisces and the class Amphibia, they show external fertilization. Why they show external fertilization? Because they release the gametes. Okay, these organisms, they release the gametes. Both organisms, male organisms as well as female organisms, both the male and female organisms, they release their respective gametes outside their body. Okay. So suppose in the case of frog, here we have frog. Okay, students, here we have frog. Imagine this is a frog. Okay. So imagine, students, this is a frog. Okay. Here we have frog like this. Okay. Frog. Okay. They release the gametes on the particular surrounding medium. Means they release the gametes in the water. Okay. What happened here? The gametes, whatever they release in the water, they may get attached to the surface of the leaf. Okay. So this is the male gamete, it releases. Female gamete, it releases eggs. Okay. What happens? Female frog will come. This is a female frog which releases eggs on the particular surface of the leaf. What happens here? Male gamete will come. Male frog will come. In the same time, male gamete frog will come and it releases its sperm on them its eggs respectively. There what happens? Automatically there is a fusion of gametes, such fertilization takes place outside the body of an organism. So that is, we call it as external fertilization. So external fertilization, it has some disadvantages. So let us discuss the disadvantages of external fertilization. What happens here? The fusion of male as well as female gametes takes place outside the body of an organism. After that, during the fusion will take place as it is. The male gamete fuses with female gamete and they form a diploid zygote. And the zygote, it is, because it is outside of its parent's body, during the development of the particular